Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. My outfit may seem a little ridiculous, but in my area, that would be Prescott Valley, Arizona. When I go out for like cigarettes or food, more than half the people are still not wearing face masks. I guess they figure Prescott Valley is immune. I mean, New York got hit, Italy got hit. China's under a major alert. New York, Boston, a lot of major cities are having a lot of problems right now. It hasn't really hit Prescott Valley yet, so everybody thinks that it's okay to walk around without any protection. And I get laughed at a little bit, but that's okay. Laugh all you want. Some of you are most likely going to die. I'm going to stay alive because I take extra precautions. Okay, now that that's out of the way. Oh, and also, I've seen their younger people complaining on TV about the government's trying to take away our rights. We can't get together anymore. We're not going to allow this to happen. We're going to go ahead and get together. Okay, go ahead, guys. It's your life, but it's not going to affect mine. Okay, now down to business. This is a Delco T200 8-track player out of a. Let's see. This is out of a '67 Chevy El Camino, and it's from Ed in Meriden, Connecticut. And we're just running it through a final test before we send her back, make sure everything works. So let's go ahead and pop in some Neil Sedaka. You know what? No, let's do Bonanza guitars right now. If I can find them. Yeah, there's Bonanza guitars. Start off with that. Alrighty, here we go. Okay, we're going to take a look at our output level meters. As you can see, this is set up for a 4-speaker system. So first we'll check our balance. Left, right, balance. Left, right, left, right. Okay, now we'll check the front and rear. All the way front, all rear, front, rear. So we know all 4 speakers are working, so we can get away from that view. Now we'll switch tracks. Alrighty, try another tape. Got some Neil Sedaka here. Tone control. Alrighty, and that's it. Now when the tape is removed, the unit sends power and the speaker connection to the radio. Now in this system, it looks like the system is a mono radio, so there's only one connection for the radio output. And whenever I work on a unit that has a lot of different connections, I always include a wiring diagram explaining what each connector pin does, so that if there's any trouble upon reinstallation, that you've got everything you need to troubleshoot the system, to troubleshoot the car wiring. So that's pretty much it. There's not much to test on a standalone 8-track player, so I'm out of here. I'm going to get on to the next job. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. Needless to say, if you have an 8-track player either for home or car use, you can send it to me for service. My number is 928-533-9666. That is for paying, repair, or conversion customers only. I don't sell parts or belts. And my website is in the description below. Thanks so much for watching and listening. Thank you, Ed, for your business, and we'll see you guys next time.